Hey guys, wanna know how to log in to Splice just by using Apple? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get our Apple account ready and let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your favorite browser and type in splice.com. Now, once you're there, on the top right corner, you can see this login button right here. Simply click on it. You will be redirected to this login page. Select the second option that says continue with Apple. Now once you're there, so simply fill in your credentials. Type in your password. And after all of that is done, you should be automatically signed into Splice. And that's it. Super simple and easy. As you can see in the top right corner as well, my profile is shown. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.